Every ticket that lands in your Zendesk queue needs a decision. Who handles it? What priority? Which team? If you're making those calls manually, you're losing hours every week to work a trigger can do in milliseconds. Tickets land in the wrong queue, SLA clocks start ticking before anyone notices, and your agents waste time on triage instead of solving problems. The fix is already built into Zendesk. You just need to set it up. A trigger watches for an event, checks your conditions, and fires a set of actions automatically. Ticket created, conditions match, actions run. That's the entire model, and it runs every time a ticket comes in. Head to Admin Center, open the Business Rules section, and click Triggers. This is where every automatic routing rule in your Zendesk lives. Hit Add Trigger to start a new one. Good trigger names follow a pattern: team prefix, what it does, and the channel. Something like support, route billing tickets to finance team. That one line tells any admin exactly what this trigger is for without opening it. Here's the condition that makes everything work correctly. Ticket is created. This ensures your trigger fires once, on new tickets only, not on every reply or status update. Without this, your welcome email sends every time someone adds a comment. All means every condition must match, like requiring both a specific tag and a priority level. Any means one match is enough, useful for catching billing, payment, or invoice keywords in the same trigger. Choose based on how precise you need to be. Actions are where the work happens. Assign a group or agent, apply tags, send an email notification, or push data to an external tool via webhook. Stack multiple actions in one trigger so routing, tagging, and alerting all happen in a single pass. In practice, teams build triggers for VIP customer routing, keyword-based escalation for urgent issues, and channel-based assignments so phone tickets and chat tickets go to different queues automatically. One trigger per pattern keeps things clean and debuggable. Keep each trigger focused on one job. Add a nullifying tag to prevent loops when triggers modify the same tickets they watch. Write a description in every trigger you create, because 6 months later you will not remember why it exists. And audit quarterly, Zendesk allows up to 7,000 active triggers. 3 mistakes break triggers most often. Missing the created condition means your trigger fires on updates too, not just new tickets. Conflicting triggers set the same field to different values, and whichever runs last wins. Overly broad conditions create thousands of unnecessary trigger evaluations. Check the ticket event log when something behaves unexpectedly. Triggers match patterns, but customers describe the same problem in dozens of different ways. Eesel AI reads the full context of each ticket, learns from your ticket history, and routes correctly even without exact keyword matches. It plugs in alongside your existing Zendesk triggers with one-click setup. Set up smart triage that understands context, not just keywords. eesel AI works with your existing Zendesk setup and takes minutes to configure. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai.